Enjoy spatial audio in the vehicle cabin by using auto time alignment and equalizer. What are some challenges with playing spatial audio in a vehicle cabin? First, the vehicle has a complex in-cabin environment. Sound is reflected in many directions by the windows and the car body, and many obstacles prevent it from reaching your ears directly. Without proper adjustment, good sound quality cannot be fully achieved. Another issue is the uneven distance to each speaker. Car audio speakers are installed in specific locations such as the doors, so it is difficult to place them symmetrically around the listener. These two challenges prevent accurate sound localization and expression, making it difficult to fully enjoy the immersive effect provided by spatial audio. On the other hand, although adjustment functions are available, manual adjustment is difficult. Many people find manual adjustment challenging because it is not easy to objectively judge whether the sound they have set themselves is good. The solution to these challenges is Auto TA&EQ. Here, we will introduce how Auto TA&EQ can be useful. Auto TA&EQ is a feature that automatically analyzes the acoustics of the vehicle cabin, which are considered difficult to adjust, by playing test sounds from the car audio and capturing them with a dedicated microphone. This creates an optimal acoustic environment tailored to your vehicle. Next, we'll introduce an overview of how to use Auto TA&EQ. There are 5 main steps in the process. First, attach the measurement microphone to the headrest. Next, touch Start to begin the measurement. When the process starts, exit the vehicle and close the door during the 10-second countdown. After the countdown, measurement begins, and a loud test sound will be played from the car audio. Wait outside the vehicle for approximately 5 minutes until the measurement is complete. When the measurement is complete, the luminous bar blinks to indicate that the process has ended. Finally, return to the vehicle and touch the Quit button displayed on the screen to complete Auto TA&EQ. Once adjustment is complete, enjoy the spatial audio experience. The values set by Auto TA&EQ can be adjusted manually later to suit your preferences.